So today we're going to be talking about how to set up the ultimate beginner's mechanic garage for under $600. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Russell, aka Medic Magic. And today we're going to be talking about how to set up the ultimate beginner's garage for under $600. But first, if you guys haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you know whenever we make new content, and give us a thumbs up because it really helps out the channel so we can keep doing stuff like this. So what I'm going to be talking about here is how to outfit yourself in your garage for under $600 with some beginner tools, some core essential things, and we're gonna be looking at Harbor Freight. And I'm gonna be talking about a lot of stuff that I already have and I use a lot, so I have a little bit of experience with this and can give a little bit of insight on how usable these things are gonna be and how important they actually are. So we're gonna start off with a toolbox. It's a 30-inch 4-drawer toolbox. I actually have one of these in my garage myself. It's great, high quality, lots of storage room, and it's gonna be able to fit what we're talking about here today really easily, and it's gonna be a good beginner toolbox to have to set you guys up for success for working on your cars in your garage. Now this toolbox is gonna run you $189.99, not on sale. If you guys get the coupons from Harbor Freight or watch for sales during some of their times, they have really good deals on this. I got mine for I think it was $140, so they knocked some money off. So just keep your eyes on that. But the toolbox, like I said, $189, that's where we're gonna start. So the next thing I'm gonna be talking about is Harbor Freight's 301 piece mechanic set. Now this set is gonna have everything you guys need to get started. It's got a 1/2-inch drive, a 3/4 inch drive, and a 1/4 inch drive ratchet with all the accompanying sockets, metric and standard. There's tons of Allen wrenches, there's screwdrivers, there's smaller screwdrivers, there's a breaker bar. You're gonna get standard and metric wrenches, you're gonna get needle nose pliers, side cutters, you're gonna get deep well, short well sockets, Allen's on sockets so you can use the driver to be able to tighten things up, loosen things up that you need to. This is a really, really great set, and it has a lot of stuff to build a great foundation to be able to do some basic work at your garage at home. Now, this set is $199.99, so it's a little bit more expensive for Harbor Freight, but you're getting so much stuff and it's such a good value. It's Pittsburgh brand, so the quality is decent. It's not too bad, but it's gonna give you the ability to work on 90% of the stuff that you guys are gonna be doing at your garage. All right, so the next thing we're gonna be talking about is torque wrenches. I've talked about this on the channel before. Torque wrenches are so important, especially when you're putting things back together, making sure that they are torqued to spec so that they don't come off, i.e. your wheels. Tyler, when you start torquing your wheels down, Tyler does not torque his wheels down. But we're gonna get a 3/8 inch and a 1/2 inch. So you guys have a little bit more versatility there and can work on a multitude of different things and tighten basically almost everything that you need to up in the car. I don't think the 1/4 inch drive is that important. You can use the 3/8 inch for most 1/4 inch stuff and not have a problem. Now those are both $19.99. Like I said, you're gonna get both of them, so we're close to $40 on that deal. And like I said, guys, I have both those torque wrenches. They work great, good quality. For 20 bucks a piece, it's not bad at all. So the next thing we're gonna be talking about to get you guys started is a floor jack. Now Harbor Freight has a 3-ton low profile floor jack that I have myself also. Works great, good quality, has never failed. It's just a really good beginner jack. And like I said, it's low profile, so if you guys have a lower car or anything that sits kind of low to the ground, you can slide it in there and not have any issues at all. Now this jack normal price is $79.97, but like I said before, guys, keep an eye out for coupons, deals that they have going on. It seems like every weekend there's some type of sale going on at Harbor Freight, at least the one that's close to my house. It seems like I'm there every weekend buying something. All right, the next thing to kind of round up the jacks is gonna be floor jack stands. These come in really handy if you wanna take the wheels off your car, if you wanna do any work and have it be safe, or if you're just jacking up one side and you wanna throw a jack stand under to make sure that it's not gonna fall on you. Safety is a really big part of being a mechanic, a home mechanic, making sure that you're not gonna get hurt, and the last thing you want is a car to fall on you or fall and hit the ground and damage something that you're gonna have to repair. Now these are sold in pairs of 2. They're $19.97. So we're gonna be close to $40 again there. So we're gonna get 2 sets, so we have 4 of them all together. Now the last thing I wanna talk about, guys, is having a dead blow hammer. These things come in handy all the time. I was just using mine the other day trying to get some wheels off of my BMW that were stuck on there. Just using a couple hits here and there. It's nice because it doesn't mar up any of the metal or anything that you're gonna hit. It's just really nice.
I missed that.
All right.
Could you say it again, please?
Shut up. So it's a really good idea to have one of those. Now, if you guys are keeping track, we are up to $557.86. So that's gonna bring us to a total just under $600, guys. Harbor Freight's quality isn't the best, but it's not the worst at all. It's definitely something good to get you guys started to build a solid base. They always have sales. They always send out coupons. Every weekend they're having something on sale. So you guys could probably outfit this entire setup for $100 less if you hit it at the right time. And you don't have to buy everything at once, but this is just, like I said, a good base to get you guys going. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. Let me know what you thought, what you guys have in your garage down in the comments below. Give us a thumbs up, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks, peace.